I have full faith in the algorithm to bring this video to the person who truly needs it. The person who's scrolling right now, searching for something, anything that could genuinely change their life. If this video has found you, I just ask for one thing. Give me a chance. Watch it until the very end. If it doesn't help you understand your problems, if it doesn't show you what's really been holding you back, then I want you to go to the comments and tell everyone it's a scam. I'm being this direct because everything on this channel is something I've personally lived through and tested. This video right here might be the key to helping you make the biggest comeback of your entire life. It's been 3 years since I graduated. I have a friend who always says, "Man, I wish I could go back and live my school days all over again." But me, not for a second. For me, school felt like a prison. I was punished for not understanding things, constantly compared to others, and starved of affection if I didn't fall in line. Over time, I started to believe it. I started to believe I was a loser. If I wasn't good at school, then I simply didn't deserve respect. My self-worth was shattered. But here's the thing, no matter how small you're made to feel, there's always a tiny part of you deep down that dreams of freedom. A part that wants to fight back, to earn respect, to become strong. I told myself, I am going to study so hard that my comeback will shock every single person who ever doubted me. But then, a critical question hit me. Was this really my path, or was it just the path society expected me to follow? If you're a prisoner, chained to society's expectations, then any comeback you make is still a form of slavery. Whatever you achieve won't truly belong to you. If you want to stage the biggest comeback of your life, you have to break free from that control. You have to stop and ask yourself, what is truly urgent for me right now in this moment? What do I actually need? Is it money? Is it better health? Is it knowledge? Is it freedom? For just a moment, forget what the world is telling you to want. Look down at your own feet. See where you're stuck and figure out how to pull yourself out of that mud. Money comes when you solve a real problem for other people, when you add genuine value to the world. Good health comes when you find a powerful reason to protect your body, not just because you want to impress someone at the beach. Remember this, weakness invites control, but strength demands respect. If your why, your reason for fighting, is weak, you'll give up at the first sign of trouble. But if your why is urgent, if it's a matter of survival, then absolutely nothing will be able to stop you. There are 3 paths you can walk in life. The first is the one society forces on you. The second is the one your own body's desires push you toward: laziness, endless scrolling, the comfort of doing nothing. And the third is the path you are truly meant to walk. Inside of you, there's a constant battle between a hero and a villain. The hero is the voice that says, "Let's work for 5 solid hours today and get this done." The villain is the one that whispers, "Yeah, but let's start in 5 minutes. Just let me check Instagram real quick." The first step is learning to recognize which voice is speaking. The second, and more important step, is to plan for the moments when you are at your weakest. You know when they are? The moment your morning alarm goes off, that sleepy period right after lunch, or late at night when you're tired and your defenses are down. You can't just rely on willpower to get you through. It's a finite resource. You need to create systems. Find a friend who will call you to make sure you're awake. Create a penalty for yourself if you're late on a deadline. Build a plan that forces you to be disciplined even when your motivation has completely vanished. If you can't beat that inner villain with sheer willpower, you have to outsmart him with planning. A good plan will always defeat lazy impulses. If you're serious about this, I want you to make a promise to yourself. Make this the last comeback of your life. Don't ever settle. Don't fall into the trap of thinking, okay, I got a decent job, I'm married, I'm settled now. That's not settling. That's the beginning of decay. Life is movement. The moment you stop moving forward, you get stuck. You become bored, restless, and unfulfilled. You were born to keep growing, to keep evolving. Look around at your life. Whatever's old and dirty, your bad habits, that dead-end job, those toxic relationships, that negative mindset, it's time to leave it all behind and build something new. We only get one shot at this life. Don't let yourself settle in the wrong place. The time to fight for the life you want is now, while you're young and have the energy. After you turn 40, your strength and willingness to start over will diminish. It becomes much harder. This is why I said at the very beginning, make this your last and your greatest comeback. If this video resonated with you, please share it with one friend who you think needs to hear this message. And if you want to connect with me directly, the first link in the description is for you. Thank you for watching.